Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm Michael, and today I get to show you something really cool because I thought it was impossible before, but it turns out it works. So thanks to one of my viewers, Patrick Julian, I found out that there is a way to get around the blackouts of MLB TV on an Android device. So if you have an Android device, this method will work for you. The first thing you're going to need is private internet access, and I'll have a link in the description below. And if you use my link, then we'll both get a month of service, which is really nice. It helps the channel and I really appreciate it. But you go ahead and sign up and then download the Android app, and then you'll be able to use it on your phone. And now I'll show you the phone. So this is the app being started up, and since this game is the Mariners against Texas and I'm in the Seattle area, I'm blacked out in Seattle. What I'm going to do is change my location to California, but you can change it to really anywhere and it should work for you as long as you're not in the blackout restricted area. So here it shows I'm all connected California. I go over to the app and I try to sign in, but I have location services enabled. So it's going to say, oh, like, just because you say you're in California, like, we're using GPS, we know you're not really there. So I'm going to go ahead and turn off location services and say, oh, you really need to have location services to use our app. So what I'm going to do is have the ability to click on the broadcast button really quickly, and then I'm going to pull down the notification panel that will let me turn on location services, and then I'm going to quickly close the notification panel and click on the broadcast I want. Now the location services with the GPS won't have a chance to locate me yet, so it will be falling back to my IP address, which is in California. And then the broadcast will start up because location services are enabled, so it doesn't have that restriction anymore. So Android will tell the MLB TV service that I'm in California, and location services are enabled, so everything should be fine, and my game starts up. The screen recording won't capture it because they blocked the screen recording of their broadcast, but my game is running and it works, and I am so happy that if you are out and all you have is your Android phone, you'll be able to use this method and get your game that you want to watch. So it's really pretty simple. It's just a timing issue. You need to set it up so that you can quickly move around and enable location services and click on the broadcast right away. And that's all there is to it. So thank you so much, guys. If you use my link below, that really helps the channel because then I don't have to pay for another month of private internet access. They're a great service. And thank you so much for joining me. I hope this video helped you. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.